Welcome back to PSC Tech Bytes. Today I want to introduce you to the new data visualization card functionality introduced by Microsoft in the beta preview of SPFx version 1.20. In this new version, you can easily create a card view with a chart, and the chart can be a line chart, a pie chart, or a bar chart, as well as a donut chart. So, like always, let's move to the demo environment and let's see how to do that in practice. Here you can see the data visualization card in action using a line chart control. Now, how can you create such kind of UI in your own solutions? Well, first of all, you will need to rely on SharePoint Framework 1.20, which is right now under preview, so in beta version. And in order to use SharePoint Framework 1.19 or above, you also need to keep into account that you will need to use Node.js version 18. So that's why using Node Version Manager, I have an environment with Node version 18.20.4. Now, if you install the beta version of SPFx 1.20, you can simply run yo at Microsoft SharePoint, and by doing that, you will be able to create a new SharePoint framework solution, which will rely on the new capabilities in the fields of data visualization. And here we go. Here we have the Yeoman generator template. We need to provide a name for the solution. We need to choose that we want to create an adaptive card extension. And here we have a new option, which is called Data Visualization Card Template. As you can see, it is still under preview. By selecting this one and providing a name, whatever you want, the scaffolding tool will create a solution for you. Now, of course, I already have a solution that I created previously, and it's the one that I'm showing you right here. So let me switch to Visual Studio Code and let me show you what you will get scaffolded. And basically, you can have a look at the package.json file, and you can see that we are using version 1.20 beta 0. And then in the adaptive card extension, in the card view folder, we have the card view that I'm using to rely on the data visualization UI. Now, to use a line chart card view, you need to import the line chart card view and the I data point types from the SP adaptive card extension base in the Microsoft package. And when you define the card view parameters of your card view using the component-based model of the new card view rendering in SPFx, you need to create a line chart card view. You need to provide a card bar, like always for all of the adaptive card extensions card views. And in the body of your card view, you can specify, aside from the component name, the data visualization kind that for a line chart card view is line. And then in the series, you can specify up to 3 data series that you want to show with different colors and with different last data point label to instruct the component about how to render the UI. Here you can see I have my 3 data series, which are those that you see precisely right here in this rendering. Now, let's say that we want to switch to a different rendering view. So instead of the line chart, we want to use, for example, the bar chart. So let's do that, and let me switch to the bar chart. So in order to do that, you can keep the same data series that we are using right now, but we need to replace the line chart card view with a different card view parameters component, which is actually the bar chart card view. In this one, the data visualization will be of type bar, and we still can provide up to 3 data series to render this component. If I will save and refresh the rendering of my adaptive card in the workbench, we can see that right now we are able to see that we have, instead of the line chart, the bar chart. And for every single data series, we have a bar in this view. Now, let's say that now we want to see also the pie view. So first of all, with the pie view, we can have just one data series. And if the data series used for the line and bar chart were of type I data point of T, now we need to specify a different type. So we need to get rid of these items, and we can replace them with the I pie data point interface. So we need to comment out this one as well as this one. and we can enable or uncomment the pie chart curve view and the IPie data point. So let me do that, and let me get the card view parameter settings for this new layout. It will be a pie chart card view. In the data visualization kind we use pie, and we have the isDonut option, which can be false or true. If it is false, which is the default, it will render the regular pie chart, and the data will be the one defined right here in this IPie data point array. And if we go back to the rendering, we can see that the output will be the regular pie chart. If we set the isDonut to true, let's try it, we can switch to the donut view. Let's see, save and refresh, and we can see that now the behavior of the chart will be the one of a donut pie chart. And here we are. So that's the list of options that you have. So the line chart, the bar chart, and the pie chart with or without the donut view. It is really straightforward, and you can simply switch between different card view parameters to render the component you are looking for. Like always, thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it interesting, and I'm really looking forward to seeing you next week. Thank you.